Hello everyone, this is me Devashmita Sharka. Today we are going to talk about CBSE Class 8 Civics Chapter 5 Judiciary. So let's begin. What is the role of the judiciary? Work of the judiciary can be divided into the following. Dispute resolution. The judicial system provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between citizens and the government, between two state governments, and between the center and state governments. Judicial review. Judiciary has the power to strike down particular laws passed by the parliament if it believes that these are a violation of the basic structure of the constitution. This is called judicial review. Upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court or the High Court if they believe that their fundamental rights have been violated. What is an independent judiciary? The independence of judiciary means other branches of government, the legislature and the executive cannot interfere in the work of the judiciary. The courts are not under the government and do not act on their behalf. Independence of the judiciary allows the courts to play a central role in ensuring that there is no misuse of power by the legislature and the executive. Independence of the judiciary also plays a crucial role in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. What is the structure of courts in India? There are three different levels of courts in India. First is district court. The court that most people interact with are called subordinate or district courts or tehsil level courts. High court. Each state has a high court, which is the highest court of that state, and Supreme Court is at the top level. The decisions made by the Supreme Court are binding on all other courts in India. It is located in New Delhi. In India, we have an integrated judicial system, which means that the decisions made by higher courts are binding on the lower courts. The appellate system exists in India, which means that a person can appellate to a higher court if they believe that the judgment passed by the lower court is not justice. What are the different branches of the legal system? Go through the following table to understand the significant differences between criminal and civil law. Criminal law deals with the conducts or acts that the law defines as offenses, for example, theft, harassing a woman, dowry, murder. Civil law deals with any harm or injury to the rights of individuals, for example, disputes relating to sale of land, purchase of goods, rent matters, divorce cases. Criminal law, it usually begins with the lodging of a first information report, which is FIR, with the police who investigate the crime, after which a case is filed in the court. Civil law is a petition has to be filed before the relevant court by the affected party only. Criminal law, if found guilty, the accused can be sent to jail and also fined. Civil law, the court gives the specific relief asked for. Does everyone have access to the courts? All citizens of India can access the courts in this country. This means that every citizen has a right to justice through the courts. The courts are available for all, but in reality, access to courts has always been difficult for a vast majority of the poor in the India. Legal procedures involve a lot of money and paperwork, as well as take up a great deal of time. In response to this, the Supreme Court in the early 1980s devised a mechanism of public interest litigation, or PIL, to increase access to the justice. It allowed any individual to organize or file a PIL in the High Court or the Supreme Court on behalf of those rights were being violated. The phrase justice delayed is justice denied is often used to characterize extended time period that court takes However, in spite of this, there is no denying that the judiciary has played a crucial role in democratic India, serving as a check on the powers of the executive and the legislature as well as in protecting the fundamental rights of citizens. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.